Hi everybody, it's Miss B back with story time. We are at the Friday before Mother's Day, and we've got some very special mothers in our area and other areas of the country too that we really want to recognize. And these are our military moms. So it's got to be very hard at times for the military moms because they have to sometimes leave their children and go away on their missions. And that makes it even more stressful for the moms because they miss their kids. So we want to recognize them and thank them for their service and share this story with you. Hero Mom. It's written by Melinda Hardin and illustrated by Brian Langdo. Now this book features a lot of moms who are in the Army, but I know we've got lots of moms in the Navy, in the Air Force, the Coast Guard, the National Guard, and the Marines. And so this goes out to all of them. Hero Mom. Our moms are superheroes. My mom doesn't leap over tall buildings. She builds them. My mom doesn't fly in to save the day. Well, sometimes she does. My mom doesn't command animals. She works with them to find missing people and dangerous objects. My mom can't transform into a machine, but she can make airplanes fly, trucks run, and tanks roll. My mom doesn't have superhuman speed, but she gets everything where it needs to go just in time. My mom doesn't have super healing powers. Well, maybe she does. My mom doesn't lead a band of superheroes. She leads a battalion. Even though our moms go away on long trips, we feel their super love for us in their letters, pictures, and phone calls. Our moms are American soldiers. Our moms are heroes, our superheroes. And snip, snap, snap, story time is all told out. Happy Mother's Day, moms. Bye, guys. See you next week.